Hi, this is our 5-liter supercritical CO2 machine. This part is the CO2 steel cylinder. This is the chiller. This is the supercritical extractor. Today I will introduce the extraction process of CBD process. First, CO2 enters to the condenser from the steel cylinder and is filled into the CO2 storage tank. The liquid CO2 in the CO2 storage tank is pumped into the heat exchanger. By the main pump and heated by the heat exchanger, so that the CO2 changes into supercritical status and meet the requirements of process flow. The supercritical CO2 enters to the bottom of extraction kettle and fills contents with the dry hemp or cannabis, then extracted in the extraction kettle. The extracted CBD mixture and the CO2 from the top of outlet of the extraction kettle through the high pressure control valve at outlet of extraction kettle enters to the first separation kettle for analysis. The process condition of the first stage separation kettle were controlled to separate the CO2 from the extraction mixture. The CBD pasta was removed from the bottom of separation kettle. The mixture does not meet the analytical condition is regulated by the high pressure control valve of the first separation kettle to enter the second separation kettle. The process condition of the second separation kettle are controlled, and the radical CBD pasta is analyzed and separated again. The rest of CBD pasta was removed from the bottom of separation kettle. Finally, the gastro CBD is filled into the condenser through the filter. After condenser, the gastro CO2 becomes liquid and enters to the CO2 storage tank for repeated circulation extraction. Thank you.